How to get product photos from AliExpress. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up AliExpress, and once you do that, navigate to the product page that you want to get the picture from. Let me choose an example, say for example this one right here, and then choose any product. And once you're here, click and hold on the image that you want to download, and you will have two options. You can either download the image directly or open the image in new tab, which will give you kind of better quality. And once you do that, click and hold on it again and click on download image, and as you can see, the image has been downloaded. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download and take product pictures from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.